read the question. The speed time graph in diagram 15 shows motion of a particle for period 110 seconds. So this is the speed in meter per second. So this is the time in second. Now the question says calculate in meter per second the rate of change of speed. Rate of change of speed means gradient of the particle for the first 40 seconds. Alright, first 40 seconds is here, right? So we need to calculate the gradient. Now I teach you how to find gradient. Find rate of change. Rate of change is same, sounds like gradient. Remember that? Find gradient. Alright, when you see rate of change, you find gradient. Gradient, you need how many points? You need 40, and then you need 0 and 70. You need just 2 points. Gradient for this line, right? For this line. So we are going to find this gradient. Gradient means rate of change. Okay, so m is 70 minus 40 over 0. 40 is negative because the line is going down. So this is 0 minus 40, right? So this is 30 over negative 40. So is negative 3 over 4, or we can say negative 0.75 meter per second again. So it's negative 0.75. So the answer is bold. Alright, easy. Just find the gradient. Gradient means rate of change. Remember my advice, gradient, there's RA, gradient means rate of change. Alright, settle. Now we go to question 29. Table 1 shows the achievement of 4 classes in science test. Achievement, science test, we have mean 86 for 4 judo, and standard deviation 3 for 4 judo, and then for Amana we have 90 and 2, right? So what the question 1, and we have 4 Tekun, 84 and 1, and then 4 in-class, 92 and 4. For your information, the smaller the standard deviation, the smaller the better. So I think they will ask you, who is the best out of 4 classes? Of course, for Tekun, because the standard deviation is the lowest among all. Let's see the question. Which class show the most consistent in the test? Standard deviation, the smallest the standard deviation, the more consistent the data. So the answer is for Tekun, right? So the answer is for Tekun, which is C. Okay, find the smallest standard deviation for the most consistent data. D. The frequency table shows scores obtained by a group of students in a competition. So for this question, you're asking to find the interquartile range. Okay, interquartile range is 2, and then find the value of H. So we will try all the value from 0, 1, 3, 4. So if you, let's say you choose H equal to 4, right? That means here you have 3, 4, 1, 5, 2. So this is 7, this is 7. That means the median is 1, right? Got it? Median is 1. So that means you have to arrange all the 7 data like this. I'm going to show you 3 and 3. So that means the 2 is the Q1, right? 2 is the Q1. So Q1 is 2. And then for this 7 data, I'm going to arrange like this. 4. Okay, I have 4, 3, 4 here. I have 3, 4 here. 4, 5, 5, 3, 3. Then this is the Q3. Q3 is 4, right? So Q3 is 4. So I will take the 4 minus. I will take 4 minus out the Q3 is 4. The interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1, which is H is equal to 4, you will get the interquartile is 2. Let's proceed to this one. Question 31. Diagram 16 shows a set of numbers. We have numbers in terms of k. It is given that mean of the set of number is 10. Mean is 10. Calculate the standard deviation of the above set number. Okay, mean, that means we have to add up everything, plus everything, plus, right? We have to plus. So if we plus, total we have 4k, 9k, 16k, 25k. 25k we divide by 5, so the mean is 5k. This is mean. Then the question say the mean is 10. So 5k equal to 10, right? Mean of the set number is 10. So k is 2. Alright, so we got 2, we got 6, we got 5 times 2, 10. We got 7 times 2, 14, and 18, right? So we are going to find the standard deviation. Let's find the standard deviation. How to find the standard deviation is we have to take 2 square plus 6 square plus 10 square plus 18 square plus 14 square plus 18 square, and then we have to divide by how many data? 5, and we have to minus the mean square. The mean, it was given 10 minus the 10 square, and then we have to square root. Alright, so if you find out, the answer should be, you press the calculator, you will get 5.657 is the standard deviation. Question 32. Diagram shows an incomplete box plot of data. Let's see what the question is. It is given that the dot plot, the range is 35. Which of the following answer is the correct to complete the box plot? Of course, the answer is D, because the range is 35. Question 32. Diagram shows an incomplete box plot of data. Let's see what the question asks. So we have to take the maximum minus the minimum. So the answer is donkey for the 33. Right. A diagram shows the cards in the box K and box L. So let's see box K, box L. Box K got 6 cards. Box L got 3 cards. A card is chosen at random from each of the following boxes. Calculate the probability of getting prime number and a vowel. Probability of getting a prime number. So let's circle the prime number 2 and 5 and 3. 3 out of 6. And we multiply. And vowel is A-E-I-O-U. So it's 1 out of 3 cards, right? So the answer is 1, 6. So let's see the answer. Yeah, this is the answer, 1, 6. Question 34. A multiple choice question has 5 options A, B, C, D, E, and random guesses the answer for 3 multiple choice questions. What is the probability of any answering all the 3 questions wrongly? For the first question, 5 choice A, B, C, D, E is the probability answer wrongly. Of course, if you choose one of the answer will be correct. The probability of getting answer correct. Let's say the answer is C. So the chances for you to get C is 1 over 5. And this is correct. The chances for you to get the wrong answer is 4 over 5. Right? So better don't guess. 4 over 5. The chances to be wrong is higher. So if you have 3 questions, so every question the chances is 4 over 5 to get wrong. So the chances for you to get wrong is 4 times 4 times 4, 64 over 5 times 5 times 5, 64 over 125. So this is the answer, right? Okay, answer wrongly. Let's proceed to the next one. For this one, let's see, question 35. A card is drawn from 20 cards labeled 1 to 20. Find the the probability that the card selected is an odd number or multiple of 3. An odd number or keywords or. Okay, let's list up. 1 to 20. 1. We want the probability that odd number or multiple of 3. Okay, we have to list out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and then 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So let's circle the one that we want. We want odd number. It's either odd number or multiple of 3, right? Odd number first. We circle odd number first so that we won't miss out. Odd number. And then how about multiple of 3? Multiple of 3 is 3, 6, 9, 12, and then 18. So let's see how many we need to count. Okay, we have 1, 2, make it darker a bit. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 out of total sample space, 13 over 20, right? That's how you list out. Okay, question 36. Let's look at the question. A box contains 2 blue pens, 3 red pens, and 5 black pens. So our sample space, we have 2, we have 3, we have 5. Fauzi selected 2 pens at random. Find the probability that both pens are same color. So total we have 10 pens, right? We have 10 pens, so we can have 2 out of 10 blue and then 1 out of 9. Second blue. Red one, we have 3 out of 10. And then second, 2 out of 9 red pen. And then for the black, first black 5 out of 10. And then second will be 4 over 9. So if you add, it will be 2 over 90, 6 over 90, and then 20 over 90. So if you add, you got 28 over 90. Okay, you plus either this or this or this, you have to plus. So our answer is 28 or 14 over 45. Right, it's same color, right? Same color. Okay, so the answer should be 14 over 45. Let's see question number 37. 37. Which of the following is a correct order of the financial management process? Financial management process. Okay, we have to setting financial goal first, and then we will have to evaluate. We will have to evaluate financial status first, right? And then after that we will go to creating financial plan, right? And then after that we go to carrying out our financial plan. And finally we have to review and revising the financial progress. So the